How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a good day today. And in today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. I want to show you guys something that I recently found out about, and I'm sure you've heard of it too. It's called Chat GPT, and basically it's an OpenAI website where you put prompts into a little chat box and the AI spits out its result back to you. You can ask it questions, you can tell it to do stuff. There's a bunch of use cases, and I want to show you guys some of my favorites and some stuff that you can use in Chat GPT to better maybe your business, maybe your brand, I don't know. Alright, to start, once you get into Chat GPT, basically what you're going to see is a pretty blank screen with a little chat box down in the bottom. There'll be some examples right here, some things that you can search up when you're just starting out, just to get a handle of the software itself, and it'll tell you some capabilities and the limitations. Like, the limitations are that it can maybe generate incorrect information from time to time, but most of the time it's very accurate, and occasionally it can produce instructions that are could harm you, but that goes with the incorrect information or whatnot. But that you can just use common sense most of the time. Don't be a fucking idiot. And then limited knowledge of world and events after 2021, so you can't really ask it specific historical situations or whatnot. So yeah, just be careful about that. You can, however, ask it stuff back in history, in the 1960s and whatnot, 1980s to 30s to the 2010s, but not past 2021. So yeah. Alright, to start, I want to show you guys something light. Right now I just typed in, what can I do right now? I'm bored, right in the chat box. So let's see what type of response Chat GPT is going to give us. So boom, it's going to generate a response right here. As you can see, it's generating. It's going to take 20 to 30 seconds depending on what you ask and how in-depth the answer is. So this one, it looks like it's going to give us some bullet points. It's going to tell us, feeling creative, try drawing, painting, writing, active, go for a walk, run, bike ride, enjoy learning new things, etc, etc. Once you're done getting your answer and whatnot, you can hit new thread, and then it'll wipe everything that you've done away. In each series or whatnot of text, the ChatGPT will remember what you said beforehand. Alright, for all you high schoolers and college students out there that don't feel like writing your essays, you don't have to anymore. Have ChatGPT do it. Right here, I just wrote in a prompt. The prompt, can you write me a five paragraph? My stupid self. Can't even spell either. 5-paragraph essay on the Industrial Revolution and its effect on the buffalo population. Let's see what it gives us. Boom, it's spitting it out. I don't have to write that essay anymore. Really easy, really simple, and it's really fast. Honestly, what you could do, copy paste this, find a part where you could insert your quote or whatnot, insert your sources, and change it up a little. You don't have to just use this as your final project or grid or whatever. Change it up. Use this as a tool. Use your resources. People have been preaching this since you've been growing up. Use your resources, and this is one of them. It's new technology. It's literally gonna be as game changing as the flip phone was when it first came out. This is revolutionary, I'm telling you. It might sound cringy right now, but in a few years, you're gonna be using AI all the time, trust me. But there we go, there's our 5-paragraph essay, and that was probably 30 seconds right there. That was extremely fast and extremely well done, quite honestly. And if we wanted I don't know why I gave it a gender or whatever, but if we wanted it to do it again, we could just literally type in try again. Usually there's a button right here. I'm not sure where it went, but there's a button that you can usually press and just tries again, but it'll just try again and it'll redo it for us. But I'm not gonna wait for that, so let's move on. Alright, so quite honestly, my favorite use case for ChatGPT is its ability to spit out code at a pretty fast rate. When I say pretty fast, I mean really fast. So right here at the bottom of the screen, I got, can you write a Python script? So that's just that's like a code language that would send an email campaign to a list of contacts for me. So this could help with your business too. If you're like cold emailing, or you're trying to email outreach or sales outreach, you could do one of this, run it in your web browser or whatnot, and actually apply it, and this will actually work. The code, I believe, is about 95% accurate when Chat GPT does put it out, so that's like really good. And if you do know how to code, that's only like a 5% chance that there's like a one or more errors, so like you should be able to fix that. I don't know how to code. I took a class in college a while ago. I don't really remember any of it, so something like this is definitely gonna help people like me that don't really know how to code but want to like get it into use in their business, in their models, in their everyday life, you know what I mean? There's our code, and we could copy it right here, copy it into a browser and run it. So I think it's amazing how fast that just came out. That was like 20-30 seconds, and it just created like a script of code that otherwise would have taken me days to make. Would have taken like a coder probably like 5 to 10 minutes. Like, that's insane. Alright, my next favorite thing that it can do is its ability to analyze like groups of data. So right now we'll go, what we have right here, we have Apple's fourth quarter like income statement, or financial statement I mean. So if we literally we just copy the entire thing right here, and then come over, paste it, and literally enter it. I didn't even ask it a prompt or anything, I just put it in there, and it just read, it's Apple's financial statement. It's going to explain to me everything. And if I want to go even more in detail, I could say, can you explain to me what this means for Apple in the fourth quarter? So I have to wait till it's done, but because that was a very large group of data, but as you can see, it's working through it right now, and it's explaining everything to me. So I don't have to go sit through all of this data over here. I mean, yes, it is a financial statement, so it's not that hard to read, but you can do something else, like other financial sheets or whatnot, and have this just explain it for you. So we'll have this run, and it's just gonna tell me again, it's just gonna explain it to me again. And if this is also too complex, I can ask it something like this. I can go, can you dumb this down for me and at a 5th grade level, and put it in bullet points, just so it's like easier to read, you know what I mean? So let's give it one more second. Dang, it had a lot to talk about Apple, I guess. Alright, so now it's gonna put in some like key bullet points in like a 5th grade level, so it just makes it a lot easier, a lot faster for me, so I don't have to read these big ass paragraphs, because I'm not really a fan of that. I don't really want to do that right now. So yeah, it'll just do this. So very powerful when it comes to analyzing data as well. Give it a try. Throw some different data sets in there. See what you can come up with. One more thing I wanted to show you guys today was ChatGPT's ability to give you guys kind of like a health and wellness advice. So if I were to ask it right now, I have symptoms of an itchy throat. Oh, I spelled that wrong, but it caught my mistake, which is pretty cool. I didn't even notice that. That was awesome. But allergies, dry air. I actually do have that right now, so I think it is a dry air in my house or whatever. But yeah, it's gonna like kind of diagnose it, give me some things to do. I'm not gonna like do anything that's like sounds ridiculously stupid in case it did generate a wrong answer, because like this is my physical health. I'm not gonna just like take some stupid ass shit that I see on here and put it in my body. I'm gonna make sure it's like good and healthy for me, but it's gonna give me like really good advice for the majority of the stuff. So another thing that you could do is like, can you give me a weightlifting program for a male that weighs 130 pounds looking to gain, let's say, a pound of muscle per week. And there you go, it just generated the workout plan for us right there. Amazing, incredibly fast. I love it. Chat GPT is insane. There's tons of use cases for it and plenty of different stuff that you guys can do on your own. So yeah, that's kind of all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, please consider dropping a like and subscribing. It really helps out the channel a lot and helps me make more content for you guys. And if you guys mess around with Chat GPT, let me know. Drop down in the comments some prompts or something that I should try out or that you've tried out, and maybe give me some of your responses that you've got. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.